morning. This is Jeff White with Jeff White Fitness Solutions. The foods we eat can either help us or hurt us. In many instances, we don't know how beneficial or harmful the foods we eat really are. Today, let's talk about the link between food and depression. Now, according to the Depression and Bipolar Support Alliance, major depressive disorder affects approximately 14.8 million adult Americans. Now, there are many reasons why a person can be depressed. One potential cause that doesn't get much consideration is the link between gluten allergies and depression. Gluten is a substance found in cereal grains, especially wheat, that's responsible for the elastic texture of dough. There are many foods that contain gluten, such as crackers, baked goods, breakfast foods, pastries, sauces, some candies, and other foods. Even beer has gluten sometimes. But here's the problem. Some people may eat these foods not knowing they are allergic to gluten and how it's affecting them. For example, a study published by the Alimentary Pharmacology and Therapeutics believes gluten might affect the amount of tryptophan and serotonin in the body, which gives feelings of happiness. Another study in Australia discovered that gluten ingestion was associated with higher depression symptoms in test subjects compared to subjects taking a placebo. What many people may not know is gluten allergies may cause malabsorption, which is the inability to properly absorb nutrients. As a result, brain functions can become compromised. Now, many of the comfort foods we like to eat when we're unhappy or depressed, such as donuts, cookies, cakes, and fast food, contain gluten in them. But it's a vicious cycle. When we feel depressed, we eat foods that can affect the hormones in our brain, thus making us even more depressed. But if you are depressed, take a really good look at your diet. Are you eating foods that contain gluten? If so, try eliminating these foods from your diet. That just might do the trick. In a future episode, we'll go over the best foods to eat to help combat depression. This is Jeff White with Jeff White Fitness Solutions. Get more great tips at jeffwhitefitnesssolutions.com. Have a happy day.